When I was a young kid growing up, I loved watching cartoons like Transformers and Voltron because it really sparked my interest, and I always found those things very fascinating. My name is Norman Ahmad, and I'm a robotics hardware engineer here at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and today I'm standing next to the Athlete rover. Now, the Athlete stands for the All-Terrain, Hex-Limbed Extraterrestrial Explorer. And basically what that means is that this vehicle is an all-terrain vehicle, multi-purpose vehicle that's going to be used for the moon. Robots like these used to be science fiction, but here at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, we're making them science fact. Earlier lunar rovers were basically like large cars. All they could do is drive over terrain. This vehicle can actually drive, and when it gets to very rough or steep terrain, it can use its limbs, its legs, lock the wheel, and actually step out of bad situations. The Athlete is like a transformer, given that it has the ability to utilize different and various tools, such as this gripper, which we can pick up and grab, fine objects, or we can use this scoop here to do excavation tasks, to grab and scoop dirt. And we have this huge auger bit, which we use to drill or dig and look for different artifacts in the soil. Sometimes it's not practical to send astronauts to very hazardous environments, so we have this control room where we control most of the robotic vehicles. From here, you can send commands that would reach the surface of the moon within 8 seconds or less. Every Sunday, I come out here to this park to do Tai Chi, and this really allows you to alleviate all the stress that may be upon you. Because as an engineer, the job is really fun, but there are stressors associated with engineering, just like there's stress associated with any job you might have. But the key is to alleviate the stress positively. You don't want to do anything negative, such as taking drugs that will negatively impact your body. The nice thing about being an engineer is that you are afforded a lifestyle that you want to live. So you can even come live in pricey Southern California if you want to, and live decently. Many people have these preconceived notions about engineers. We are these super boring people that sit around and do mathematics problems all day and never have any fun. But nothing could be further from the truth. The truth is that as an engineer, you're afforded the opportunity to do a lot more fun things like building robots and then sending them to the moon.
Ignition sequence starts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.